Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I am Nerissa Albios, 36 years old. I am married. I have three children, two girls and one son. I am graduated in high school. I live in Mercedes Camarines Norte. I have experience to work in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, gardening, and sometimes I car washing. I serve three members in the family, two adults and one children. I'm taking care of her child, 5 years old. I give her food, milk, and I send her school, going to school. If she come back, I'm playing with them, change her clothes, give her vitamins. To my future employer, I promise that I'm a good person, patient, trustworthy, and hardworking. Thank you, Mom, and God bless.